Hello guys and welcome to Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode of Indices Watch. In today's video we're just going to quickly analyze the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ 100 going forward. Before I start today's video, I just wanted to declare that I do and my private signal group do hold two buy positions in both the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ 100. So we are long in both. Obviously I can't declare exactly where our entry points, take profits and stop losses are. That's if you would like to learn that, you can head over to my streaming website, become a member, and then that's what will give you access to our Telegram group chat where we do post the signals on a daily, weekly basis. But moving forward, let's go and start with the S&P 500. S&P 500 looking very bullish over the past couple of days. Big question mark is this the Santa Claus rally that we've all been waiting for? We thought that we were going to get one, I think it was last week, and we were hit with three massive red candlesticks. But this is very encouraging that we are seeing the S&P 500 trading in the green for a second day running. We actually haven't had that since the beginning of December, so very nice to see the S&P 500 trading in the green today. I was very interested to see whether we would have a bullish day, and I think we opened up at the open rather flat. So as I mentioned, it's very nice to see. In fact, I was actually very bullish here on the S&P 500 going into yesterday's trading session due to the fact this is a very known thing for the S&P 500 for it to break below the 50-day EMA and then a few days later bounce back. Not always you will find that the EMAs are respected like they were back here from May all the way through till September, where we pretty much pinpointed it, and then we saw the bulls take control of this market. It is very common for us to briefly break below the EMAs and then see some more upside pressure, and that's exactly what's been happening the past couple of times here. For the S&P 500 we have briefly broken below it, and of course going into yesterday's session I did see that we had briefly broken below it, and the big question mark of course was whether we would see the bulls take us back above it, and that's exactly what's happened. So that to me tells me we're still bullish here, we're still in a very nice looking uptrend. You only have to zoom out to see the full picture. We've been trading in a beautiful uptrend all the way since March 2020, and today's movement tells me that this will continue. So hopefully we can achieve our take profit over on our private Telegram group chat. I'm very confident we will. We are fast approaching our take profit, so this is very encouraging to see. Moving over to the NASDAQ 100. Moving over to the NASDAQ 100. Now, the NASDAQ has been lagging the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones 30 as of recent, and that's due to the fact the Fed, Jerome Powell, come out last week, I think it was last Wednesday, during his press conference, and announced that there will be 3 interest rate hikes within the next 18 months. Now, typically speaking, for tech stocks, that's not good because many of them have high valuations. It's what you call a growth stock. And this basically means that traders have calculated how much profit they expect these companies to be making in 5 to 10 years time. As their growth stocks, they have very high valuations. They're valued as to where they could be trading in 5 to 10 years, or how much they could be earning in 5 to 10 years time. And the majority of traders would have calculated this with current interest, with the current interest rate environment, and that's with interest rates being at an all-time low, down near 0%. And then as soon as the interest rate hike occurs, this then means that these traders then have to take a step back, go and do their recalculations as to how much money that these companies may be earning or may be worth in 5 to 10 years time. But of course they have to calculate it with this new interest rate hike, so it can affect companies' valuations, and we are seeing the really high valuation the real high valuated companies suffer at this moment in time. With the likes of Neo, for example, that's a fantastic example. I think in May 2020 that company was trading up at $90. It was valued at around $90 billion, and it hadn't really even sold many cars. I think it was selling 3,000 to 4,000 cars every quarter. So that's a perfect example as to how some very high value tech stocks can pull back during environments like this. As the old saying goes, when the tide goes out and then it comes back in, not all boats will rise or float. And that's exactly what I mean and what I'm trying to get at here. But the NASDAQ 100, what I will say is that short term, when there are comments about hikes of interest rates, it is short-term bearish for many of the stocks in this index, but medium to longer term it can actually be very, very bullish. So I am bullish here for the NASDAQ 100. I see catch up that will occur very, very shortly. You're already seeing it with lots of tech stocks bouncing today, and I think that this will continue going into January 2020. So very, very bullish, and hopefully this trade, as well as the S&P 500, can go up and hit our take profit over on our signal on the streaming service. So thanks for watching today's video, guys, and my personal bias for both of these markets is bullish. And that is going to wrap it up for today's video. But just before I let you leave, I just want to quickly show you our brand new streaming service. We've recently launched this website that you can see in front of you. This is where we provide in-depth analysis videos as well as trading signals via our Telegram group chat. How it works is really simple. We have two subscription plans. First one is a monthly fee of $19.99, and the second plan is only $209.99 for a year's subscription. Once subscribed, you'll then have access to all of our in-depth analysis videos, as well as access to our private Telegram group chat. We cover various markets such as commodities, US stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. We also have a video category where we provide educational content so that you can improve your trading skills. If this sounds appealing to you, then you can find our website link in the description of this YouTube video at dailymarketmovements.com. If not, then I would just like to take this time to say thank you for watching today's YouTube video. Please give my channel a subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again soon.